Looking for a pot that will improve with every use? Introducing the Uno Casa Double Dutch Oven, a 5-quart, heavy-duty cast iron pot and medium-sized skillet that are ideal for slow-cooking soup, roasting meats, baking fresh bread, and cooking many other one-pot meals. The pot can be used for braising, baking, searing, and simmering, while its lid can double as a separate skillet, perfect for sauteing, searing, or baking a personal pan pizza. Our cast iron is designed to last you a lifetime and offers a superior cooking experience. It is pre-seasoned, so it needs less oil while cooking on high heat, and it naturally prevents food from sticking to the surface. And it can be used on all heat sources, including gas grills, campfires, stovetop burners, ovens, and more. The package also includes 2 silicone handle covers to protect your hands up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a silicone multi-use trivet mat to take your meal from stove to table. The Uno Casa Cast Iron Double Dutch Oven, the perfect mix of size, simplicity, and design to fit your family.